So what does the introduction of a second vaccine mean for the fight against COVID-19? Our medical expert, Dr. Arnold Baskies of the Global Cancer Control Advisory Council, joins us now to answer some of your questions. Always a pleasure to have you here, Dr. Baskies. We know the Moderna vaccine is expected to be approved by the FDA by the end of the week. What impact will this have?
Well, Moderna's vaccine is 94% effective at preventing symptomatic illness. And in addition, there's another good thing about the Moderna vaccine. It appears that it prevents the spread of the virus as well. So the information regarding the Moderna vaccine is even better than the Pfizer data so far. So we now have two vaccines, both of which have a between 94 and 95% efficacy, and one of them appears to even stop the virus's spread by reducing transmission. So what that translates to, Jackie, is that we now have two extremely effective vaccines. And in addition to that, we have 2 to 3 more that will be coming online, I think, within the next 4 weeks, which all translates into this. By April, I believe that we will be able to give everyone in the country a vaccination that wants one, because we will have hundreds of millions of doses by then. So hang in there for another 2 to 3 months, and I think we'll be in much better shape.
Does it matter which vaccine you get? You mentioned this a few moments ago. If someone had the opportunity to choose between Pfizer or Moderna?
Well, remember, Moderna's vaccine has not been fully approved by the FDA yet. I suspect that they will approve it within the next 2 to 3 days, and they'll be able to then distribute their vaccine. I think based on the information we have now, Moderna's vaccine has a little bit of a leg up on the Pfizer vaccine because it appears to also reduce transmission. But we won't have that data for sure until we get thousands and thousands of people vaccinated with the Moderna vaccine. But both of them have been proven to be safe, and both of them have been proven to be very, very, very effective. Remember, the bottom line for approving the vaccine was that it was going to be more than 50% effective. Both of these vaccines in thousands and thousands of patients have been proven to be safe and have been proven to be 94 to 95% effective, twice as effective as the threshold that the FDA was looking for.
And Dr. Baskies, how soon are you scheduled to get the vaccine?
As soon as I can get it, I will, but I'm not in the first line of people that can get into trouble with this. So I'm going to wait my turn.
And if you have questions about the vaccine, count on NBC 10 to help you get answers. Send an email to vaccine@nbcphiladelphia.com or post a question on our Facebook page. Then watch us on air throughout the week to see if your question gets answered.